This is the cover page of our project on the topic Conservation of Water done by Group 6 of 10B. I would like to express my wholehearted and profound sense of gratitude to my science teachers for their superlative mentoring throughout the course of this project. I would also like to extend my acknowledgement to Mrs. Larissa Kutupan, Principal, Shivagiri Srinarayana Senior Secondary School, for providing me all the facilities that were required. I am beholden to all my teachers for their valuable suggestions and encouragement. Finally, I thank my classmates who helped in finalizing this project. This is the index of our project. Introduction. Water is the most remarkable substance on earth. Despite being vital to so many areas of our lives, only a small amount of fresh water is available on the earth's surface. So we should adopt strategies to sustainably manage the natural resource of fresh water, to protect the hydrosphere and to meet the present and future human demand. This is referred to as water conservation. This project is about the importance of conserving water and the various ways through which it can be done. This involves both traditional and modern methods of conservation. The aim of our project is to identify the importance of conserving water and methods of conservation. The objectives is identify and understand importance of conserving water at different places such as school and home, reduction in groundwater level and causes, importance of rainwater harvesting, traditional or ancient and modern methods of conserving water in Kerala and Himachal Pradesh, helps to understand and solve problems related to reduction in water levels at different areas. Next is procedure. This project involves the preparation of slogans and cartoons, bar diagrams and pie chart based on reduction of groundwater level in Kerala and Himachal Pradesh, presentation of traditional and modern ways of conserving water in Kerala and Himachal Pradesh, models of water harvesting system in Kerala and Himachal Pradesh, preparation of PowerPoint presentation showing the need of conserving water in our school and home. It was a wonderful and learning experience for me while working in this project. The project took me through the various phases of water conservation and gave me a real way into the world of conservation. From this project, I understood how to sustainably manage the natural resource of fresh water, to protect the hydrosphere and to meet the current and future human demand. I enjoyed each and every bit of work I had put into this project.
Our group has made a project on conservation of water in our life. Group members are Binyamin Ahmad, Sahil Nadeem, Gautam Loshi, Aish R, Irfana Perveen. We have made several slogans. These are the pieces of artworks we have created.
Reduction in groundwater level in Kerala and Himachal Pradesh, presented by members of 10B Group 2. Groundwater fills space between soil particles and fracture rocks below the earth's surface. Pumping water out of the ground faster than it is replenished over long term causes serious problems. Groundwater depletion is a serious problem across the world. In Himachal Pradesh, groundwater has decreased significantly. The groundwater resources occur mainly in unconsolidated sediment of intermountain valleys and submountains. The annual extractable recharge for Kerala in 2017 decreased by 6.93% compared to figure in 2013. A study revealed that the groundwater level has fallen to 6 meters and wells have started to dry up due to floods and changes in rainfall in Kerala. Thus, we should pay more attention to this problem and implement effective measures to avoid water scarcity in future.
We, the members of Group 3 from Class 10B, are presenting a project on the topic Water Conservation. Through this video, we will give you a short description about the history of water harvesting in Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. Water harvesting. Water is the basic necessity for the functioning of all life forms that exist on earth. It is a non-renewable resource and we should conserve it.
Rainwater harvesting is one of the most commonly used methods to save water. The notion behind rainwater harvesting is to not waste rainwater and to prevent it from running off. Methods of water harvesting. In Kerala, we use surangas, temple ponds, madagas, and also harvesting is done using sari and coconut husk. In Himachal Pradesh, we use kul, naula, kuls, kondarbuns, and kadas.
Suranga, also known as Surangam or Turangam, is a traditional water management system used to provide a reliable supply of water for human settlements and irrigation in Kasaragod district of Kerala and Dakshin Kannada district of Karnataka, India.
Rainwater harvesting system, also called rainwater collection system or rainwater catchment system. Technology that collects and stores rainwater for human use. Rainwater harvesting system range from simple rain barrels to more elaborate structures with pumps, tanks, and purification systems.
Plus, is a traditional irrigation system practiced in the hilly areas of Himachal Pradesh. Under this system, water flowing in the streams is diverted in man-made canals and then water is taken down to the various villages down the hillside.
We, the members of Group 4, are here to present a PowerPoint on the topic Conservation of Water in School and Home. A drop of water is worth more than a sack of gold to a thirsty man. Water conservation. The method of recharging groundwater by harvesting rainwater is gaining importance in many cities. In the forest, water seeps gently into the ground due to vegetation cover. This groundwater in turn feeds wells, lakes and rivers. Protecting forests means protecting water catchments. In ancient India, people worshipped nature and one of them was water. Water wastage in home. People waste water in their home without even realizing it. We have become so accustomed to have a 24-hour supply of water to meet all our needs from cooking to cleaning to drinking that we sometimes forget that we do not have an infinite supply of water. Here are a few tips on how to do so. Taking baths and long showers. Think of it this way, the average human showers uses 17.2 gallons of water and last up to 8 minutes. That's a lot of water. Always use a broom to clean walkways and driveways, etc. Conservation of water in home. The first thing you should do is check for leaks in taps, pipes and dishwasher hoses, which can cause over 2000 liters of water per month to be wasted. Repairing any leaks will save you a ton of money and you will be saving the environment. Conservation of water in school. Ongoing and successful water saving depends on a coherent long-term water action plan with well-defined and achievable targets. Bring together a water team of staff and people who will be able to monitor and drivers of water conservation in school. With the team, conduct a full water audit to identify all the areas of water consumption and the potential for reductions. Put signs near the basins to remind students to turn off taps as soon as they wash their hands. Used water from splash pool and baby ponds in school is reused for watering plants. Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting as a method of utilizing rainwater for domestic and agricultural use is already widely used throughout the world. Conclusion. We must use our water wisely. Earlier, water has been abundant resources and unfortunately was used carelessly. Today, water is a precious resource to us and to future generations. Life would not be the same without it. Water is one of nature's most important gifts to mankind. Essential to life, the survival of all living beings depends on water.